Hello, my name is Bytech AP Manager, the owner of Bytech AP Manager recharge card printing software. I want to show you how to quickly print a recharge card without connecting your data. First of all, you have to download this my software Bytech AP Manager here. When you download and install, but make sure before your installation you have Microsoft Word on your laptop. I will click on that Albino pin loader. You have seen it now. First of all, it will ask you for kindly enter authorization code provided by your vendor, and the serial number is always there. It says contact the following number for the code. This is the serial number I need. The serial number is 0453678782. If you give me the serial number and after the successful payment of 10,000 naira, I'm going to generate with that the same serial number and give you the license code, which is what you're supposed to put here. This one has already paid and I've already generated the license code, and I'm going to put the license code and to be writing dash 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 because they wouldn't like you to see it. I'm going to write something. I'm going to write something here, put the code here. Okay, I will press enter because I've already put the code. Look at it, authorization authenticated product release for use. I will click OK. It will load my Bytech AP Manager. It will start loading. When it start loading, we wait until when the thing is done. As that one is loading, all I need to do now is those serial number that was on that the software time I open it. The username is always Bytech. Why the password by default is that the serial number I put in that place, and this is the serial number which was the software. I will copy it like this and actually paste it on the software. This is it. I'll type it and click login. It will log in actually, and this is the menu of the recharge card printing software. Here is the file where you can upload your file and download. You can change your password, you can do anything. This is the print option. This is admin where you can set anything, and this is for help about Bytech AP Manager. Now if I come here and I have to come and set up my name, the name of the company by default, I will come to this place and say company details. When I click on company details, you see Albino Card Communication. You can erase this thing and put anything you feel like. You can put your own, you can put anything you feel like. You can decide to leave it empty. For now, this is how it is, and I'm designing this one for my own. I will click on save when I have successfully uploaded, when I have successfully changed whatever I want to change. Now, if you want to change that Bytech to be to your own username, and you change the default password to be a different password instead of that serial number, you can actually come here, come to this admin, you come to setup and say new user. New username here now. Under the first one username, you put any designed username you want to use. While the access key is the password you were able to remember, and you repeat the password, and at the end you click on save, and that was the end. Let's go straight to the point. I have already bought pins. The pin is here already on my desktop. This is the pin. I have a 9Mobile, I have Airtel, I have Glo, I have MTN. Let me start. Any of those things can go the same way. I can start with any network for these tutorial purposes. I will come to this place and click on file. I will import pins. Under import pins file, I will import pins. I'll have to select the pin I want to. Let me say it's MTN. I'll click on this MTN here. I will go to select the destination. Select the destination part name. I will click on that place. If I click on that place, it will take me to where I save that ePIN. I will navigate to that desktop here. I will click on that ePIN here. I'm printing MTN now. For example, this is MTN. I will click on it. You have seen that they have been uploaded. Under index number, I can type anything I feel like. I can say either or by soft, something of that nature. And at the end, I will click on load. If I say load, are you sure you want to load? Click on yes. It will load and tell you the recharge card, how many recharge card you want. Look at it here. The MTN pins loaded successfully, and this is unit is 100 naira. Y denomination is 100 naira. I will click on done. I will say done here. I will come here to print option, which is the second option here on the tab. I will click on this place and say print, and what I selected was MTN. I will click on MTN. Under this paper type now, it will bring a paper type where if you want to print like make it more bolder, you can try this on your own. If you want to make it the highest to be as bold as anything, you can use them. If you want to make it more minimal than that, the first one you use 20. But the least one is this 40. 40 will make it as tiny as possible so that to minimize the cost of paper and other things and in terms of printing. So now I will click on print all here if I want to print all. If I want to print 50, anyhow you want to be, you can print the range here. But I want to print all now. For my own case, I want to print all. I will click on print. He will ask me, would I want to print preview? I will say yes. I will print preview. This is the recharge card now. This is a recharge card or buy card communication or backlink or buy software. This or buy software is represent the serial number. I can decide to print and print with, if I have the printer there, if I have the printer connected, I will click on print and it will print successfully. And what you should understand, you look at it, all loaded voucher are printed, consider reprinting. You click OK and say close. You do the same thing with MTN, other network, Airtel, Etisalat, and Glow network. But what I'm going to do is that I have to bring to your notice that you cannot load another MTN again, except you delete the former MTN load. So I have to come here to under admin. I will delete flush the already printed one. I will come here and say I want to delete this is 100 naira. I will select all and I will click on flush. I will click on flush. It said pin flush successfully, and that is the end. Please, if you have any question, do subscribe because I'm going to do more videos about recharge card and how to use phone and print and many other things. If you always like the video and do this thing, always do subscribe. Here, under this place, you can also change your password. You can say list of the index, which is not valuable again because I've already deleted it. If for instance, I need another Airtel or maybe another network, I can say import again and say, for instance, I want to load Glow. Come here, the same place, I will look for Glow here. I will double click on it, it will open. If I open, I will type anything I feel like here, anything at all can load. I will say load. The same thing you are going to do with Airtel and it's Etisalat, which is 9 mobile. Successfully loaded, and I will click done, and I'll come here now and again and say print, also print maybe Glow network, and I will come here and select paper type. Let me use 10 this time around. You see how bold it's going to be. I will click on this and I will say print. I will say print preview. You see how bold the thing is. It can easily bring where you can even die the code to recharge the card and do many other things that they did. So that is how it is, and it will still write the same thing and other things. So for instance, you printed a lot of these things and which you have already missed, you don't know how many are printed. You can come to this file and able to look at list of the index. You have seen that the Glow are printed here and the reference there, which is the thing I just typed. You can type anything you feel like, printed by who, by so, or by tech. You can, when you change this thing and your user, it can become your own. Thank you, and do subscribe and have a wonderful day. My name is Taylor Obai, ePIN manager. You can able to, if you land, visit www.obaisoftnig.com, or if you want to buy anything like VTU or do other business like the software and others in your case, also visit www.rapidvtu.com.ng. Thank you.